Chief Minister Biren talks tough against female feticide. Four suspects in Rims Road blast nabbed, claim police. And Minister Jayanta Kumar says no coronavirus case in Ukhrul. Good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur News at 6:30. I'm Loving with the news in details. The Department of Social Welfare Manipur today celebrated the National Girl Child Day under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme at City Convention Centre, Imphal. Governor of Manipur Dr. Nachma Haptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Health and Family Welfare and Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar Singh, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, officials of Social Welfare Department attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Nachma Haptullah said that National Girl Child Day is celebrated on 24th of January every year to raise awareness on inequalities, discrimination, exploitation faced by girls in the society. She cited that inequality may be faced in education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care, protection, child marriage, freedom, etc. Nachma also stated that the initiative of the Government of India to celebrate the National Girl Child Day is an enhancement mission for the young girls in the country.
The girls can do anything today. Today is a time of science and technology. You don't need that kind of strength. You only need a brain, education, and a finger. Even for a nuclear bomb, you don't need to have strength to do it. Everything is at a fingertip. We need to equip girls with transferable and lifelong skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and digital awareness.
Meanwhile, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren said during the program that 2 special courts to deal with crime against girl child would be set up soon. He added that stringent action will be taken against any person involved in female feticide and that those hospitals involved in such cases will not be spared. The Chief Minister unhappy over decrease in female ratio, saying the state recorded 904:1,000 in 2001 and 888 in 2011. He said that the present government has taken up measures to enhance status of girls and to focus on women empowerment.
Parents orthodox concept impression society education school we should not ask to sense to anybody. We should start from our seats.
Imphal West Commando last night arrested 4 suspects in the bomb blast that occurred at Nagampal Rims Road last morning. The 4 are said to be laborers. They are Soibam Kumarjit, Narendra Soibam, both from Loitang Sandum, Kayen Paibam Tolenkhomba from Nongpok Hairok, and Harakcham Rabichandra from Nongchup Sanjanbam, police sources said. The arrested are said to be members of Kedo and WUM. Meanwhile, members of Punshi Kaitel, Kedo and WUM staged a sit-in protest at Punshi Kaitel Naga Nula condemning the bomb blast. Taking part in the protest, Vice President of Ima Panthoibi Sana Kaitel, Loitonjam Ranjana urged all concerned to stop planting and exploding bombs at public places and to stop harassing civilians living near the blast site. Ranjana also condemned the arrest of 4 CADO members. A 10-year-old girl received minor injury in the Rims Road blast that took place a few hours before full dress rehearsal day of Republic Day parade.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯃꯠꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯀꯦꯗꯣꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯖꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯥ ꯈꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯀꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯊꯛꯇꯒꯩ ꯇꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯒꯩ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ huntꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ Securityna kurangdana leiba maraksidabu karigi makoina kari tummaga leithokpro makoina mara leire hariba midu phagede haidraga isasingi nomagi chara tanbadubo karigi lokthokpibano karigi moina phabibano masi tawbiganu haidana ai mayamgi mahut silaga haijari.
A one-day orientation workshop on Mission Indradhanush was held today at the auditorium of Regional Outreach Bureau (ROB) at Wangkai Yonglan, Leirak, Imphal East. It was jointly organized by Regional Outreach Bureau (ROB) under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur. Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumar inaugurated the event, which also had a technical and interaction session. During the workshop, Minister Jayanta Kumar underlined on the need to maintain health and wellness from birth till death. The Health Department under the state government is in process to set up open workout places in all health and wellness centers in Manipur, he said. The minister said that it is the ultimate aim of the government put maximum impetus on health sector, noting that maintaining good health in children can help make a healthy society, for which he said proper immunization of children right away from birth is necessary.
The young youths, they are the pillar of the next generation. Right from very childhood, immunization, vaccination tauba, Simayam Singam sit open a maramot and Angang Sing the young premature death or Yam Hindi cave way we have Mong Tatana, Aquina, Shirapana, Biabasingi, Matu ship to do. Rotavirus Naharim, Pitax, but San Kaptov and Maramotana, Angang said any other disease, Matulakado say, Masi, ship to Hova, Kalhova habitat. The hybrid rotavirus much a couple of Dargadi, but the Angang Chocolagam upon like them, Chaki and Hybo. But certificates is already one like them, but Puggy couldn't self hung the Matangi Yahweh.
Clarifying the report on spread of coronavirus at Shirui Hills of Ukrul district, the Health Minister Jayanta Kumar said that the Health Department had already conducted medical tests and health checkups at residents in the area and that people do not need to worry about it since the results found were no coronavirus at all.
China dagi originate tauropa makalgi virus anu makalama madu sandukpa hore adana so deadly this virus is yam jatina koina sigan ba yam jatina mapangkan makal virus hoiba virus to China gi virus to matu ukrul gi somewhere siroli ligan ang mabdale virus kat sandukpa hore na haiba yam alarming note nama angonda lak bai batai hojik for the agent today the information is matu alarming oiba matu dakali ti matu alarming oibam tokte matu hokji hai akil China virus nate and hai batai matu mayam da ai matu akui highlight tok jage.
Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Jorhat and Branch Laboratory Lamphel Imphal today organized a consultative meeting on food processing cum techno exhibition at Lamphel today. The meeting cum exhibition was held on the theme CSIR Connect Northeast. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Director General of CSIR Dr. C. Shekhar Mande, and Director of CSIR IHBT Palampur Dr. Sanjay Kumar attended the meet. Speaking during the meet, Chief Minister said that timely intervention by the authority have stopped general strike and economic blockade from being enforced in the state since the past few years. He urged the farmers to grow more indigenous crop varieties. Biren stated that the state government will take up Stand Up Manipur to give main priority to the backward communities of the state.
Our state situation is we could not do anything except if it did not get from the center. Aduna koi center da loina depend on gale bise. Aduna ne koi na kitang kari khara revenue ka ba ya ba state se da kai do ba ya ba lege kitang tausi ne koi na khara hona jari the people support dakar leba, awareness dakar leba. School fagan je we are going to expend nearly 30 crores initially for the 60 schools. But to cover all the state, we need more money. And the sugum bagi matang sida da koi khara revenue si prajana su lana logdaba state ki tangai phadaba togda yada bani na khala koi da support to biraga deba. Manipur si am nuai na higba ya state amadi we bani koi ki state sida award palite mi so adu ki matik phai ayun sai jebdo last 3 years sida time to time interact or kanda grievances mayam du pira chala kanda praja irang togdi aduna koi sumaina sigi level sida ne koi chatlaga deba koi di ai jine India da ne top quite develop oiba quite chakut state amai da koi no we ngamne
the technological input particularly in these stations, in this center. We have enough land. Of course, director has already advised me. Enough land is there, but there was some legal matters is there. So just now I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister. He told me that he will immediately solve the problems so that we may get the 25 acres or so, get it immediately under the authority of the CSR of this unit.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Wabiraganu, Medilena Pung Kunmari Chupna, Adongi Yumda, medical oxygen tinba lak patanatana, installation to Wayabagi Kudong Zaba Pijeri. Masitanatana, Darkar Labor Oxygen Regulator, Amadi Makal Kudimaki Oxygen Marks and Singba Produktuna, Miangi Mateng Pangzeri.
Loinana Anab Singamari Lainaba, Makal Kudimaki medical equipment sing, foldable bed, suction machine, regulator, monitor, nebulizer, wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari adom sunga sima call tawduna tanabiu aikhoi contact number 9205987988 amadi play store da changbiduna Medillion F download tabiu.
Welcome back after the break. The Platinum Jubilee Celebration cum Church Dedication Program of Maring Naga Baptist Association MNBA, which began from 21st of January, came to an end today at Saibol Baptist Church of Technopal District. The celebration was held on the theme Liberty in Christ. Today's closing function was attended by All Manipur United Clubs Organization, President Peroijam Nando, Celebration Committee Chairman Meshu Kul, and other dignitaries. Talking at the program, Amuko President Nando expressed hope that participation by people from both the hills and valley in the celebration will strengthen the bond among different communities in the state. Amuko also extended financial aid and edible items to the organizers. A colorful cultural program marked the closing event. An awareness program on municipal solid waste management was held under the aegis of Kokching Municipal Council KMC, Ward number 7 and Ward number 9. Twin bins for source segregation were also distributed to every household in the 2 wards. Kokching Municipal Council Executive Engineer Naurem Ramchandra, Assistant Engineer Salam Jugeshwar, KMC Chairperson, Naurem Sanjit Kumar, Vice Chairperson, Katrimayum Jaljet, and several others attended the program. At the event, Naurem Sanjit Kumar said that the twin bins were distributed under the Swachh Bharat mission to maintain cleanliness in the area.
Tungda horaiba tungi immediate oigadoriba ngamsing asibu adat punamakta nada yekta thumnabagi padamda aikhoina hogogo oina kaksing iramdam ama ohibina si haiba mafamse ei myam hunda hanna ei myam ri nisai.
Ahead of the Republic Day celebration and a day after Rim's road blast, Manipur Police tightened security measures at vulnerable places in Imphal and other districts. Massive combing operations were carried out at crucial locations under the supervision of Bishnupur District Superintendent of Police L. Priyadarshini. Bishnupur Commando, led by Officer in Charge B. Lungthang Vaipai, conducted a house-to-house search operation in the surrounding area of Bishnupur Old Secretariat Complex early this morning. Around 120 individuals were verified. No one was picked up or arrested, a police report said. 2 children were killed in a major fire which broke out at a residence in Beltola area of Guwahati yesterday. The deceased were identified as 8-year-old Ishan and his 3-year-old brother Ivan. Both were students of Srimanta Sankardev Academy, Dispur. A media report said that the cause of the fire is suspected to be a short circuit which further spread and led to a cylinder blast. Fire tenders rushed to the spot and managed to douse the blaze. It is also learned that the parents of the deceased went for shopping for Ivan's upcoming birthday and the children left inside the house with doors locked from outside. In a suspected case of human trafficking, 2 Nepali women were rescued yesterday at Indo-Myanmar Integrated Checkpost by troops of 43 Assam Rifles. The Assam Rifles suspected it was a case of human trafficking as they learned it from the immigration counter, a report said. Later, they were handed over to Moreh Police Station for further investigation. It may be mentioned that in the recent past, a number of Nepali women were rescued from being trafficked at Indo-Myanmar checkpost. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association today appreciated Justice M.V. Muralidharan of Manipur High Court and other concerned lawyers for the recent judgment of the court directing the state government to pay minimum allowance of Rs 18,689 per month to Home Guards. Talking to journalists at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal today, Association President Y. Mangi Singh urged the authority to turn the High Court directive into an order promptly to improve the living standard of Home Guard personnel and their families. At the same time, he drew the attention of the related department for completion of streamlining of Home Guard personnel and establishing of a women division. Y. Mangi further appealed to the government to stop recruitment of battalion commander outside the Manipur Home Guard Act.
Piba Rai, the Heidi Home Guard Noizu Kango, Manipur Sarkar Ju Kango, Home Guard Kari, the Wetaki Habasiki Matodo, Taukan Biro, Authority Yinsen Biro, Home Guard Kasana Jupata Biro, Aduga, Cheni and Raga Sagan in a Kaliba, Commander Noigi Kongdang to Hanko or Nata de Masia Ain Konda, like Naragadi Hayeng, Watoga, Tokla, Paganda, I call it the time of the Roy, Haiba Apilama, she can tell it that when it's
Improvement work on Yumnam Kuno Sairem Lane has begun today. Talking to reporters, Irom Bhavini, a local resident, expressed happiness over the initiative taken up by Pradhan Kulachandra. She said the lane had remained in a bad condition without anyone's attention for a long time.
Ising taragasu ising adum kaphatana thomdana khoi lamben ji chatpe am nungai jideba ado inaubuna hararok tangam gi paran inaubuna nung khara thabidana ma tawbase akhoi yamna thagatpa phongdok sari amadi matung taba sumana akhoi gi lekai ji gi khungang lekai gi oiba chakhor thorangi thabakta mayam tawbrekani haibagi asa thamjari.
Another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Ola Service Manipur dasu haujaragani UNI gi senthang makhada document ichang changdana amadi guarantor gi awaba yaudana subnata gi pan card voter ID amasung bank statement khaktamakna apamba gari electric vehicle amadi power station loan gi khuthangda lobiba yaragani limited booking ni ngasima khudong chaba silawiyu hena kupamarol gi damak lengsin birau UNI corporate office address Uripok Polem Lekai near Youth Library Club contact number 7005092567 natraga 9077786 email officeunun@mail.ru website www.247ununi.com.
Welcome back after the break. A 10-day skill training program for small poultry farmers has begun today at KVK Training Hall, Monsang Pantha Village, Chandel District, organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Chandel under Agriculture Skill Council of India. Joint Director ICAR Manipur Center, Dr. N. Prakash, Senior Scientist and Head of KVK Chandel, Dr. Deepak and Joint Director Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Chandel, Dr. KH Surchandra Singh, and around 20 poultry farmers from different parts of Chandel attended the first day of the training. Certificates from Agriculture Skill Council of India were given to the participants of Small Poultry Farmers and Layer Farm Workers Training Program, which was held last year. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights has urged upon Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren and Governor Dr. Nachma Haptullah to initiate action to upgrade the Manipur Human Rights Commission, the top human rights institution of the state. The Commission has no adequate infrastructure and manpower, the forum said in a press release. It also urged the government to set up Commission's separate office in every district of the state. Anguished children of contract workers of FCI Sangai Pro staged a sit-in protest at Maitram Makha Lekai waiting shed Nambol today. The workers were recruited in 2019 on contract basis but was later dismissed in March 2019. The protesters held placards condemning the act of the CAF and PD department.
Emission firon dress uniform education Later, Hosiki Sarkazina, Mien Junction Biduna, Simi Simbu Tabasuba Pangambio, Amadi Liable Simbu Yokapio, Heisening.
Kangleipa Kimeira, an Imphal-based local evening newspaper, today celebrated its 38th Foundation Day at Pilo Gorun, Mongshangai, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayanta Kumar, Information and Public Relations Director H. Balkrishna, and former AMWJU President N. Tombiraj shared the dais at the function. Times of Manipur television reporter and news anchor Kumantem Gentle was given the Best Male Reporter Award on the occasion. Besides, awards for other categories were also distributed to other journalists of the state. Renowned Manipuri singers Arambam Jamuna and Naba Volcano were conferred Lifetime Achievement Awards, and 3-time World Guinness record holder and push-up Yambem Govin was also felicitated on the occasion.
Aduga sumba paumi singi yamna samna sengna honaba journalist singi paumi singi mifam da support obiba function da support obiba ai hanana thagasari aduga matung dasu people's ka government ga gi mark ta gap laiba se paumi na men bane adra madu ngasi sahi ahum yamna peacefully laiba sumaina lakada wo sahi da su koi mem punna hona minara kanda mateng pinara kanda asoy ngam ngana kanda santi laiba state amu hensi na imam kurumjari.
The 5th Kudongbam Brojendra Theatre Festival concluded today at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The festival was organized by Kudongbam Brojendra Cultural Trust, Manipur Sahitya Parishad's President, IAS Kangjam Festival Organizing Committee Chairman, retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai, and author Channa Lukhoi attended the closing function.
Akwai Manipur di criticism si accept to was kharab wai kitang criticize to consider is the personal way to talk about masi professionally apaba cinema apaba essay apaba drama asi critics in higher kan da babok se attract to gadab ne na ina thazai akwai festival sida no people gamba ta yam was yam to so even one person ga akwai theater gi women series the people gamagadi akwai tawjir se mai pa e haina akwai lawjigani.
Dr. V.K. Saraswat, a member of Niti Aayog government of India, today inaugurated a health and wellness center at Primary Health Center, Laimapokpam under Nambol constituency. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. V.K. Saraswat said that such center will help people stay fit and healthy. Principal Secretary, Family Welfare Department, V. Vumlunmang, Chief Medical Officer, Bishnupur T. Manihar, Laimapokpam Zila Parishad Member L. Jiten Meitei, Medical Officer in Charge, Primary Health Center, Laimapokpam, Dr. C.H. Joy Prakash and other staff members were also present during the function.
I would like to congratulate the efforts of the government of Manipur and also the support that has been given by central government in upgrading this facility. The services being provided are of international standard, and we find that the passion and dedication of the doctors and nurses here is exemplary. They are in a position to provide end-to-end services, right from OPD to deliveries to providing immunization and even eye testing. I am very, very happy that in a center like this has been created, and it is running for so many years. After this upgradation, I think it will be able to deliver better services.
Now let's take a look at the sports news. The participants of 7th IAG International Traditional Yoga, Rhythmic and Artistic Yoga Championship 2020 held at Bali, Indonesia were felicitated during a function at Sri Sri Radha Yoga Center, Uripok, Laikurembi, Lekai. The championship was organized by All India Yoga Cultural Federation under the supervision of All India Yoga Cultural Federation from January 11 to 14. The function was attended by President of Sri Sri Radha Govinda Yoga Center M. Tekele, Advisor L. Gauramani, former Secretary C.H. Birendra and several yoga players. Seven-time champion Serena Williams suffered a dramatic exit from the Australian Open today, her earliest in 14 years, falling 6-4, 6-7, 7-5 to China's Wang Jiang, and a stunning third-round upset that tore the women's tournament open. Wang, who was thrashed 6-1, 6-0 by Williams in the US Open quarterfinals, severed sweet revenge on Rod Laver Arena to end the Americans' bid for a record-equaling 24th Grand Slam title, sending shockwaves through Melbourne Park. A day before the Chinese New Year, 27th seed Wang wavered when serving for the match at 5-4 in the second set, but was magnificent under pressure in the decider. She broke Williams' formidable serve to seal the thriller on the third match point when the American dumped a backhand into the net. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren talks tough against female feticide. Four suspects in Rims Road blast nabbed, claim police. And Minister Jayanta Kumar says no coronavirus case in Ukhrul. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 6:30. Thank you for watching.